Have you ever felt like winter just drags you down? Like no matter how much you sleep, you still feel tired. You crave those extra hours under the covers, but wake up feeling groggy, as if your brain just isn't getting what it needs. For years, we've blamed shorter days, holiday stress, or just a general winter slump. But cutting-edge research from 2023 suggests something far more profound. Your brain itself may be subtly shifting its sleep architecture, specifically craving more of a crucial sleep stage called REM sleep during the colder, darker months. You're about to uncover the surprising science of seasonal sleep and why your winter brain is different. Before we dive into winter sleep, let's quickly understand the incredible journey your brain takes every night. Sleep isn't just one state. It's a complex cycle divided into several stages. Non-REM sleep, which includes light sleep and that deep restorative sleep. And then there's REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement, and it's where most of our vivid dreaming occurs. During REM, your brain is highly active, almost as if you're awake, consolidating memories, processing emotions, and engaging in creative problem solving. It's mentally restorative, but physically your body is almost paralyzed. For decades, scientists have known about our powerful internal body clock, the circadian rhythm, which is primarily influenced by light and darkness. It dictates when we feel awake and when we feel sleepy. But could this rhythm also subtly change how we sleep throughout the year? This is where the groundbreaking 2023 study from the Universität in Berlin comes in. Researchers analyzed the sleep patterns of hundreds of patients undergoing polysomnography, a comprehensive sleep study that measures brain waves, eye movements, heart rate, and more. What they found was fascinating. When comparing sleep patterns across different seasons, they discovered no significant difference in total sleep time. Most people slept roughly the same number of hours year, but the composition of that sleep changed. Specifically, participants showed a longer duration of REM sleep in winter compared to summer. On average, REM sleep was about 30 minutes longer in the winter months. This subtle, yet statistically significant, shift suggests that our brains are not just sleeping more in winter, but differently. So, why might our brains crave more REM in winter? One leading theory points back to the reduced natural light. Just as less light can trigger seasonal affective disorder, it likely impacts our complex sleep-wake cycles. REM sleep is deeply connected to mood regulation and emotional processing. Perhaps the darker, colder, and often more isolating winter months, with their increased risk for lower mood, trigger a compensatory mechanism in our brains, where we spend more time in REM to help process these emotional changes. Another theory suggests it could be an evolutionary holdover. In prehistoric times, winter meant scarcer resources, less activity, and potentially more time for sleep in a broader sense. This subtle shift in sleep architecture might be a vestige of our ancient biology adapting to seasonal changes. This research is still relatively new, but it offers fascinating insights. If your brain truly needs more REM in winter, it suggests we should listen to our bodies when they crave more sleep. Fighting that urge could actually be detrimental to our mental well-being. So, what can you do? First, try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Second, maximize your exposure to natural light during the day, especially in the morning. This helps anchor your circadian rhythm and signals your brain to reduce melatonin at appropriate times. Third, create a dark, cool, and quiet sleep environment. Avoid screens before bed, as the blue light can disrupt melatonin production. And finally, if you consistently feel tired or experience significant mood changes in winter, consider consulting a healthcare professional to rule out other conditions or discuss treatments like light therapy. Remember, there's always support available, and seeking help is a sign of strength. The subtle dance between our environment and our biology is profound. This 2023 study offers yet another piece of the puzzle, suggesting that our brains are not static, but beautifully attuned to the seasons. Sotis. Winter. Give your brain the REM sleep. It might be silently craving. If you're fascinated by the science of sleep, the hidden workings of the human brain, and how our bodies adapt to the world around us, hit that subscribe button right now and join the Feed Your Mind community. We explore the biggest questions. Your next discovery awaits.